Hi, I'm Shannon, and today I'm going to show you how to add a second AWS account to your OtterTune organization. So within the OtterTune UI, you can go to your user menu and click Add an AWS account. You may want to do this if your organization uses one AWS account for testing and one for production, for instance. Now here, if you were the first person to set up the original IAM role for OtterTune, this page should look familiar to you. We offer the same three methods to connect for any additional AWS role as the original. And again, we do recommend the CloudFormation option, as that's going to create a pre-filled out form here on AWS console. And all you'll need to do is review the information and click the checkbox and click create. Now, on the other tab, since my internet's a little slow, I'll show you OtterTune is already waiting for that CloudFormation information. So I'll pop back over here where the page is starting to display for us. And I am going to customize this as well as this to keep myself organized here. And then all you'll need to do is click that and click create. Now OtterTune's going to take a moment for the stack to finish creating, and then it gets the information. So you'll see here, we're just kind of waiting, and I'll pause it for a second and come right back to you while that creates. All right, so my second IAM role was created successfully. So I'll pop over here to OtterTune, and now I can see there are 2 AWS accounts connected to my organization, and you can go ahead and add a third if so needed. Please let us know if you have any questions.